As we all know that China is in top position at today's market because of its latest product, the COVID-19. The COVID-19 or the SARS-CoV-2 or the coronavirus, or I call the brother from another mother who granted us all a 3 months holiday package. Wow, really. Keeping the holidays apart, there are still people getting infected and death happening all around the globe. But there is no vaccine still against the virus. But there are various preventive measures which can be taken to prevent the virus. Keeping this in mind, we the engineers of Dr. AIT have created a project called as the Smart Disinfectant Tunnel. The name of our project is the Eternal-Medi-Xilium. Structures represents the architectural design of a smart disinfectant tunnel. This represents the top view of a tunnel through which a person will be passing. This represents the side view of our tunnel. This represents the upper plumbing system, or I like to call them as the pillars of our tunnel. This represents the suction fan blower, which represents the hot air gauge. The following structure represents the internal organization of the plumbing present inside the stage. This represents the disinfectant storage in the tank and the supply system. Next, the following color representation of the pipes represents our basic structures for that social distance is very necessary. Our tunnel provides secure distance between each person at the entry. The tunnel consists of internally of 3 chambers: the temperature chamber, the hot air chamber, and the disinfectant chamber. Our tunnel is very rigid with the combination of aluminium and hafnium carbide foil and a tarpaulin sheet. Tunnel consists of 4 parts. The first part is the smart part. In this part, the photo and a government approved document of every person entering the tunnel is captured, because if a virus infected person is found in vicinity of the tunnel, we can track and trace the number of people who were in contact with that person on a particular day. Moving on to the next part is the temperature sensing part. Here, the normal human body temperature ranges from 36 to 37.2 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is very high, a message would be sent to the nearby hospital or an ambulance or a person in charge of this part. According to the research conducted by a WHO approved laboratory, that a hot air up to 56 degrees Celsius could kill the SARS virus at the rate of 10,000 units. Keeping this concept in our mind, we have created the next part, that is the hot air part. Here, a hot air up to 56 degrees Celsius is sprayed on the person in the time constraint of 15 to 30 seconds. Before moving on to the next part, the Ministry of Human Resource and Development has banned the sodium hypochlorite compound, which is basically used as a disinfectant nowadays because of its irritability and skin problems. We have chosen a compound of benzyl chloride, sodium bicarbonate, etc. in the disinfectant, and we will be spraying the disinfectant on the person in the last part, that is the disinfectant part. Keeping all this concept, before continuing on the video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Our tunnel is a no contact tunnel, so we have installed a motion sensor sanitizer at the very beginning of our tunnel.